She got it. Somebody got it. Hold on. Alright.
In front of the Jeep. Yeah, there you go. Keep doing that.
What the fuck?
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
5 minutes later.
Alright, he got it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. As you can see, we about to do the water bottle swing challenge. You know what I'm saying? If you see this on Instagram, TikTok, you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. My bad, y'all. That was just a test. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get it started. Let's get it. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
This shit too easy, bro. Is he even trying? So you keep pushing like, oh.
Yeah, you could keep pushing it. Yeah. Cause it ain't really. All right, there you go. Oh. You could grab it. What's her name? Try to grab it. Go ahead, swing it.
That's the first one, right? Hold on. That's it.
Who the fuck go with this? Oh!
Hold on, you got me fucked up. Hold on. Where she at? Alright. That bitch like your own.
Alright, 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Oh, shit.
Keep dodging. Keep dodging.
Take the jacket off. Put it in.
Put your hand down.
Right down.
You don't slap that thing on the teeth like that.
Alright.
Alright, you like that already?
Yeah, go ahead, swing it. Somebody grab it.
There.
Okay, right here.
Alright, she got it.
Killing me.
Alright. Then somebody grab it. She got it.
Yo, why are you running up with the water?
She got it.
I'm dead.
This is a grip it, bro.
There you go, grab it. You gotta put it up.
You got some phone. What the fuck?
Okay.
What if I'm just inner boxing skills? Shit.
Somebody grab it.
Oh yes,
He got it, Shay.
Oh.
Alright, it's swinging.
Why I can't hear it? I can't hear it.
30 seconds.
It's all about imagination.
Ain't gonna lie, they doing good though. Alright, somebody grab it.
Sorry.
She got it. I said she got it. I said somebody got it.
I just couldn't hear what she was about to swing.
He got it.
You know what I'm saying?
So grab it. She got it. So grab it, Denzel got it. Oh, he let it go.
She let me know.
No, I kind of ducked.
Okay.
I got scared. That was hard.
All right, last swing. Somebody grab it. He got it. He got it. He got it. Oh. Oh. Alright, alright. 2, 3. She got it.
Watch it, watch it. Oh my God.
He got it.
Put your face up.
Alright, somebody grab it. Yeah, she got it. She got it. She got it.
Is that shit moving? Y'all want to see this? Making it.
I want. Watch out.
Yo, she.
Somebody grab it. She got it. She got it. Watch out. She got it. Watch out.
Oh.
Was that
No. Alright, 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
She got it again.
Nah, it's swinging. Oh, she got it. Alright, she got it.
Yo. What?
Alright, grab it, grab it, grab it. Yeah, you missed it.
Oh.
She got it. Alright, grab it. It's coming. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. She got it.
Please grab it. Please grab the ball.
I'm trying to help him. I'm trying to help him.
I must have did something.
Yo. She got it, she got it, she got it. Alright.
Oh shit.
Bam.
Oh, yeah, that's the hit.
Alright, wait, she got it. Damn, bro. Damn, that's alright. That's alright too. Alright, bring it back. Yeah, she got it. It's the last swing, cause you over here trying to kill this man. Watch your head. Alright. Alright, grab it, grab it.
How does she know? Oh, shit. Lights didn't get him. Oh, damn.
Alright, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
She got it. That was close as hell. I didn't lie.
Alright, she broke it.
She got it already?
Yeah, she got it already. Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3. He got it.
Okay.
Oh, video this shit. Oh, shit.
Alright, somebody got it.
Boy, y'all.
He missed.
Shit. Look at that.
Somebody got it. Oh, in front of you.
In front of you, G. Yeah, there you go. You know that.
What the fuck?
Huh?
Alright, he got it, he got it. Alright, so you're gonna swing it on 3. 1, 2, 3.
stupid.
Grab it. Somebody grab it. You gotta reach up. Alright. He got it.
Like,
It's right there.
then my joke funny. Like,
Oh, mom, man. Damn.
Grab it. Yep, there you go. Come on. Yeah, yep. Swing. Oh, shit.
Damn, my boy. Oh.
Grab it. Swing. Alright. Go ahead, duck. Hey, stay in your seat. You're tired.
what's your one? Yeah, man, what's your one? I don't even know what I'm going
Ooh.
Swing it.
Yeah, go ahead. Put your hand down. It's not even swinging yet. Hey, go ahead, swing it. You should have smacked her. You had. It's right. You look. You're not reaching up. You reaching
Out.
See? There you go. Boom. Hold your head up.
I was gonna say something, but I'm like, nah, I gotta say it.
I told you, hold your head up. Come on. Grab it, Denzel.
Getting tired from all this.
Duck. I said duck.
Okay.
Wait, get my teeth in. Wait, you got it?
You got it.
Oh, yeah, remember it.
Oh.
Don't forget I got the problem.
You got Jesus now, bro. You right?
It's right there. Oh, it's swinging. You got it. She got it. Bomb. It's coming back. Grab it.
Where went?
He got it.
He got, oh shit. Oh.
Wow. She got it.
Yeah, try to get violent in here.
She got it.
What?
It's swinging.
You just got lucky at this point. Yeah, I got every 10 on the neck.
She got it.
Fuck.
It's swinging.
Oh, he got lucky, bro.
She got it. She got it. She got it. No, she got it. Yeah, she got it. It's swinging. I missed it. There. Nope. Nope.
Oh, that teeth in up? Oh, no. Wait, he got it? Oh, he's standing up. You did that on purpose.
Shit.
to.
She got it.
Watch this. I'm gonna stay still. I don't know if you want to do that. Hey bro, play the lotto tonight, bro. Like, break me off. Break me off. You gotta break me off. Alright. No chances, dog.
She got it.
Oh, I know it's right there.
Play the lotto tonight.
He got it.
Oh, shit.
She got it.
Bro, why is it not in here? What the fuck is he doing?
Everybody do that.
I'm dead. Why did you fucking get this shit?
Come on. Choose to look at one.
Look, I just see one. Where's this fucking shit?
Sit down.
Fucked up. Why I can't reach this shit?
What's going on out there, bro?
Somebody grab it. It's right in front of you. He got it. He got it. He got it. He got it.
Down. And then they'll say,
You got it.
Bro, you know
He got it. Good dog.
What y'all do?
He got it.
I believe baby got yeah, keep doing that, yeah, get that bitch. Right there. Yeah, got it. Oh. You got it. Oh, yeah, right there. Got it. Nice over it. Damn.
Come here, come here.
Say. What?
What's up? What the fuck you doing? Sit down.
What?
Sit down. Alright, let's go.
You trying to cheat and still get wet.
What's up? But I get wet though. Shut up.
Get that. Oh.
Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. Swing, swing.
Damn. That got fired.
He got it.
Ooh.
10 seconds. Somebody grab it. He got it, he got it, he got it. He got it. Alright, nope, nope. So he got it, he got it. He got it. Alright, last swing. Grab it. You should have grabbed it.